Now see here. This is why most Valentine posters do not attract customers. In this video, I will show you 3 common design mistakes and how to fix them using Adobe Photoshop. Now without wasting our time, let us dive in. The first mistake is using too many colors. This makes the poster look cheap and hard to read. Now to fix this, limit your Valentine posters to few colors for a clean and professional look. In this post, I am going to use only 3 colors. I mean a red as a main and background color, white for a text, and gold for accent. Now let's see the process. Fill the solid color. Now let us create a contrast as what we see here. Go to brush tool. I'll go to filter, apply Gaussian blur, and change the blending mode to overlay. And let me create this shape. I don't have this icon, so let me create it using Adobe Illustrator. Now go to Adobe Illustrator, open it, and let me show you how to create this icon using Adobe Illustrator. Now select the icon, use drop shadow. Control A. And line to the center. Control D to deselect. Go to File, press Embedded. Go to Effects and choose Drop Shadow. The second mistake is using the wrong fonts. In this design, a designer used a wrong font pair that distort the meaning and layout in general. So to fix this, use romantic fonts or script only for headline and not body text. On a body text, you can use only clean sans serif. Now let us fix them together on this poster. Now let me use another font for this headline. To me, this looks romantic. Change color to white. And this, maybe let me try Pretty Vibe. The tracking 0. Also change to white. Now we'll fix them later. Now let us go to the third mistake, that is poor layout and highlight. On this, viewers do not know where to look first. Now to fix them, headlines use biggest and the other uses small and medium. This is because good highlight guides the viewer eyes. Now let us fix them on this poster. Just change this one, align the paragraph center. Control A, the line to the center. Control D to select. Wrap your love in a GIF. Control A, align to the center, and Control D to deselect. Let me use Arial font. This maybe Montserrat. I want to make a gold. Group them. And save. Therefore, in order your Valentine poster to stand out, fix these three things. Use 3 color only, choose readable font, and create clear highlight. Now, I hope you have seen improvement from the first poster to the second one. It is few parts that have been remained. Don't miss the next tutorials. I'm going to cover the missing parts so that you can have a clean and clear design that can stand out in a market. That is to say, a design that sells. Now subscribe if you want to learn how to design a poster that sells, not just look good.